We've seen cases by third-party makers leak the design of the upcoming Galaxy S9 Plus, but now we get a chance to look at some of Samsung's official cases for the upcoming flagship. There's good news for Alcantara fans, but 4 flip cases are featured too. The image you see a wireless fast charger with a slightly different design than the S8 generation wireless chargers. A couple of days ago we saw the flip cases, officially called Clear View cases, handled on video. They are pretty much the same as the S8 cases, the old phones even fit. But feature cutouts for the dual rear camera and repositioned fingerprint reader. If there has been any doubt that the Galaxy S9 will come with a single, and the S9 Plus with a dual camera, while both will feature a new finger scanner placement below their lenses, just like on Samsung's new A series, their official cases leaked in the video above, should dispel with the soul searching. We cross-checked the case model numbers stamped inside, and they coincide with the leaked list of official Samsung accessories for the S9 and S9 Plus. The FZG960C number denotes a clear view cover case for the S9, for instance, and so on, so the cases seem legit. Moreover, they seem to be made in Vietnam, and Samsung has a factory there which churns out phones and official accessories, so that's another tangential evidence that this leak can be considered as credible as they come. So, what can we learn from these Clear View, aka S-View, cases, destined to wrap around your precious S9 and S9 Plus? Well, first off, there is indeed a shorter camera cutout on the case meant for the S9, and a longer one for the S9 Plus, indicating we may have the first S-line phone from Samsung with a dual camera setup this year. Moreover, the elliptical finger reader from the A8 and A8 Plus seems to carry over to Samsung's other 2018 phones as well, negating the criticism against its placement on the S8 and S8 Plus. On the right of the lens, yes, both case models have an opening for the heart rate scanner and the flash, too. The preview manages to fit an S8 and S8 Plus fairly neatly in these cases, so the S9 and S9 Plus shouldn't stray too far away from last year's designs, apparently, save for the obvious rearrangements on the back. The Clear View cover should be available in blue, black, rose gold, and in a new purple option, hinting at the possible S9/Plus body colors. Here we are seeing the black, and the new purple version, which may or may not be your cup of tea, but we'll reserve judgment on the actual hue after we play around with it at the MWC Expo later this month. The promotional lock screen of the Clear View case shows the date of February 25th, which coincidentally is exactly the one on our invitation for Samsung's keynote event at MWC.